I bet you didn't know Bengal is bracing for one of the biggest cyclones of the year. Good evening. This is your update on Cyclone Dana. Currently categorized as a severe cyclonic storm, Dana is expected to make landfall in Bengal within the next 48 hours. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert, indicating heavy to extremely heavy rainfall. Coastal regions are on high alert, with evacuation plans in place and relief teams on standby. Residents are advised to stock up on essential supplies and stay indoors. Authorities are working tirelessly to minimize the impact, but the situation remains critical. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates as this storm progresses. Stay safe, stay informed. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe for more updates.